If you're manually scheduling interviews, you're probably wasting more time than you realize. You review applications, coordinate availability, send confirmations, and manage everything manually. So, in this video, I'll show you a much cleaner way to handle interview scheduling inside FluentBooking and FluentForms. Applicants can apply, pick an available time slot, and the entire workflow stays organized inside WordPress. All right, let's set everything up. So here we are inside WordPress, and we'll start with FluentBooking. This is where we can create an interview event that candidates will use to book a time with us. I'll go to the calendar section, where all hosts and booking events are managed. Since this interview needs to be booked with a recruiter or hiring manager, we'll either select an existing host or create a new one. For today, I will go for an existing host. Now, I'll create a new event type. For this workflow, a one-to-one event makes the most sense because each candidate is booking a private interview with one recruiter. I'll name this event Interview Session. Next, I'll add a short description so candidates know exactly what this booking is for. For example, this could say, choose a time for your first round interview. Please make sure you're available for the full session. Now, I'll set the meeting duration. For a first round interview, I'll keep this at 30 minutes. Then I'll choose the meeting location. This could be Google Meet, Zoom, phone call, or even an in-person location depending on how your hiring process works. Now that the basic event details are ready, we can configure availability. This is the most important part for recruiters. Instead of letting candidates pick any random time, I can control exactly when interview slots are available. So let's say I only want interviews from Monday to Thursday between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Candidates will only see those available windows. Anything outside that schedule will not be bookable. And because FluentBooking can sync with your calendar, it also checks your existing schedule. So if I already have another meeting during one of those times, FluentBooking can block that slot automatically. That means fewer double bookings, fewer scheduling mistakes, and no need to manually check your calendar every time a candidate wants an interview. Now, let's go into the booking questions. For a recruitment workflow, this is useful because you can collect a little more context before the interview. You might ask things like, which role are you applying for? What is your expected salary range? Are you available to work remotely? Please share your portfolio or LinkedIn profile. If you already collect this information in the application form, you can keep the booking page simple. But if you want extra screening details before the interview, this is where you can add them. Next, let's configure the email notifications. FluentBooking includes default notification templates for both the organizer and the attendee. I'll keep the candidate confirmation email enabled, so once someone books an interview, they immediately receive the date, time, and meeting details. I'll also enable reminder emails so the candidate gets notified before the interview starts. And on the recruiter side, I can make sure that organizer gets notified whenever a new interview is booked. This removes a lot of manual follow-up from the hiring process. Now, the interview booking event is ready. But instead of manually sending this link to every applicant, let's connect it with FluentForms. Here, inside FluentForms, I already have a basic job application form created. It collects the candidate's name, email address, resume, and any other details needed for the application. Now, once someone submits the form, I want the next step to happen automatically. So inside the confirmation settings, I'll redirect the applicant in the FluentForm interview page. That way, after they submit that job application, they immediately land on the interview scheduling page. You can also include the booking link in the confirmation message or email notification, so the candidate has a copy of it in their inbox. Now, let's test the full workflow from the candidate side. I'll open the job application form, fill in the details, upload the resume, and submit the form. And immediately after submission, I'm redirected to the interview booking page. From here, The candidate can choose an available date, select a time slot, enter their details, and confirm the booking. Once they confirm, FluentBooking schedules the interview automatically. Let's go back to the admin side. Inside FluentBooking, I can see who booked the interview, which time slot they selected, their meeting details, and the current booking status. And because the event is connected with the calendar, the interview is also blocked off automatically. So instead of handling applications in one place, scheduling in another place, and reminders manually through email, the whole process becomes connected. And that's how you can simplify interview scheduling directly inside WordPress using FluentBooking and FluentForms. Instead of going back and forth over email, candidates can submit an application and book an interview slot based on the recruiter's real availability. FluentForms handles the application, and FluentBooking handles the scheduling, confirmations, reminders, and calendar sync. It's a small workflow, but it can remove a lot of repetitive admin work from the hiring process. If you want more practical WordPress automation workflows like this, you'll find plenty more here on WPManageNinja. And if you want to try this yourself, you can start building your own interview scheduling workflow with FluentBooking. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one.